Hi guys, what's up? I think you're great. Okay, today I'm gonna give you a nice pattern, right? ලස්සන pattern එකක්. වඩිවන pattern උண்டு. ඇයිද මන්ද? ඇයිද මන්ද ඇය ආවේ නැත්තේ? ඇයිද මන්ද බබා අඬන්නේ? මොකද මන්ද බබා අඬන්නේ? Right? Like that guys. ஏன் பபா அழுவுது தெரியாது. ஏன் அவ வரலையோ தெரியாது. Like that, how to make කොහොමද හදන්නේ? බබා අඬමින් ඉන්නවා. බබා අඬනවා. How to say? බබා අழுதுകൊண்டிருக்கு. A baby is crying. Okay. I wonder why the baby is crying. I wonder why the baby is crying. I wonder why the baby is crying. ಐದಮಂದ ಬಾಬಾ ಅಂಡಬಿಂಗಿನಿ. I wonder why he didn't come. Oh, ಐದಮಂದ ಓ ಹಾವಿನತ್ತಿ. Right like that. Okay. ಐದಮಂದ ಮಂಗವಾಡ call करे. Okay. I wonder why I called you. Okay. ಐದಮಂದ ಮಂಗವಾಡ call करे. Right. ಮುಖದಮಂದ. Right. ಮುಖದಮಂದ ಓ ಹಾವಿನತ್ತಿ. I wonder why he didn't come. එච්චරයි ගොඩක් ලේසි. I wonder why it was a කෙලින්ම sentence එක දාන්න තියෙන වාක්‍ය. ඇයිද මන්ද ඇය සතුටින් ඉන්නේ? ඒන්දරියාව happy අර කරා. How to say? I wonder why she is happy. Can you understand? ඒන්දරියාව කවලේ අර කරා. ඇයි ඇය දුකින් ඉන්නේ? How to say? I wonder why she is sad. Okay, like that guys, very easy. ඇයිද මන්ද ඔවුන් fight කරමින් ඉන්නේ? How to say? I wonder why they are fighting. I wonder why they are fighting. Very easy. I wonder why they are fighting. Okay, like that, guys. You can make sentences. Use this phrase. I wonder why. Good luck, Lacey. Okay. See you in a nice next video. Okay. Bye bye.